1 minute and 50 seconds remaining time for the third quarter.
Tawuoy.
Quarter number 3, Nagad. Enters the balance ng Musya. Look at quarter. 8 seconds shot clock. One for 3 points. Ruble. 1 minute and 20. Nakababayaw for 3. To Mr. Ubas. Going for 2 points. Ubas. Mutya controlling the ball. Mutya. Last 1 minute. Mutya again. Nagad. Intercepted by Mr. Marianito. 50 seconds remaining. 35 seconds remaining. 41 seconds remaining. 41 seconds remaining. Went for 2 points. 25. 20.
Hoy, tawo.
15.
Tay.
Basket time.